What has been your biggest screw-up as a designer? I have a tendency to make screw-ups almost like every day, I would say.
I absolutely love what I do.
I am what I need to be in order to make my ideas come true.
I love creating, and every day is totally different.
That great design sells itself. It doesn't.
They can think it's just having ideas and sketches.
It's actually more about meeting a lot of people.
Capacity of curiosity and observation first.
Curiosity comes before creativity. If you're not a curious person, you're never going to have creative solutions.
Ability to do research and your ability to see detail.
A capacity of freedom in your interpretation.
Being able to talk the business talk as well.
You have to be able to communicate what you have created and get other people to help you execute on it.
Guilty as charged.
This is not black. Just for the record, this is a very, very dark blue.
I don't know, we're lazy. We don't like to dry clean.
Everything in life that we use has been designed. It's gone through the hands and eyes of a designer.
The world needs change. The ones who could lead that change is a designer who knows his ways around how to design change.
I was kicked out of fine art school twice, but you need to go anyway.
There's a mix of skills that the design team needs. You need one of those skills.
To learn, to unlearn, to fail, that's what a good school teaches you.
Obviously, you have to break all these rules you get and then create your own path.
Oh, there's so many.
I was actually doing inflatable furniture. It was called IKEA Air. It's one of the biggest mistakes in IKEA's history.
I somehow ended up pushing into the market an idea that was really more conceptual. It was a very good idea, but it failed because I didn't take it to that next level of fine-tuning it for the market.
For me, the biggest problem has been that I've been educated in a society that all the materials, all the process, they were not sustainable. We have to work a lot and to rethink about our relation with our planet.
Stay young, because when you're young, you're not fed up with stuff. You're still hungry.
Have confidence in yourself.
There are always people telling you it's not possible or it's not allowed. You completely ignore them.
Just relax, go with your gut, because usually your gut is right.
Take ownership of your own ideas, of your own life. And although it's a bit abstract and blurred in the beginning, if you put the idea central, if you let the idea guide you, it will take you somewhere. So who would have told me